can always see the night.
Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger. We're gonna go ahead and go over the Supreme drop list for week 9. I'm gonna go through this shit real quick. I'm only gonna talk about the items that I didn't talk about yesterday. So if you're mainly interested in my TNF opinion, you should go ahead and check out yesterday's video. I'm gonna briefly talk about it at the end of this one, but I'm not really gonna go into detail like I did yesterday. But if you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Let me know what kind of shit you would like to see on the channel. And with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Since we here, go ahead and check out Nori Archives. I've been posting some heat on there, definitely some heat. Follow it, bro. Like, come on, let's go ahead and get into the lookbook items that we have for this week. I am gonna talk about the saw. I know I talked about that shit yesterday. Just briefly, I do feel like the branding should have been bigger on it. Looking at it honestly, I do feel like if the retail is under 50, I might go for it. If it's anything over that, it's a dub. This is kind of clean. Definitely interested in the saw. We'll talk about the TNF in a little bit. The first piece releasing from the lookbook is this hooded flannel zip-up shirt. It comes in 4 colorways. My favorite ones out of these are probably the ones behind the orange one, you feel me? The orange is a little bit too loud. I feel like that blue is the perfect one. I feel like this was supposed to release last week, to be honest. I thought this shit was dropping a couple times before. I feel like I've seen it before. Creamish with the blue and the white hood isn't bad at all. I do feel like that one is pretty cool, and then the black one isn't bad either. We're gonna simply skip on that because I feel like retail is gonna be like 168, and I could get a couple items that I'd want this week for that price, so I'm probably gonna steer away from that, you feel me? We do got this Undisputed box logo fitted, which basically has some shit all over the brim. Then it does have world famous right here, big box logo on the front. This one is actually fire. I do like it in that forest green. That peachish pinkish color is hard. Every color is fire, bro, because then you got the red, the black, and the navy. You can't even go wrong with either one of these, and if I could get my hands on any of these colors, I'd be pretty hyped, to be honest. Each of these go hard. But yeah, the Undisputed fitted, low-key on my radar for this week. Might be the only item I go for this week. That and a tee to keep it real simple and smoking on to the next week. We got the USA America Supreme hooded sweatshirt. Basically, this one comes in 6 different colorways. You got that brown, which is probably my favorite one. Honestly, this shit is ass. Like, I'm not even gonna go for this at all. We good. This is literally the Democrat and Republican hoodie. I'm good on this shit. We gonna keep it stroking to the next item, which I actually think this is fire. The Geo Arc Long Sleeve is a banger. Yeah, this long sleeve go hard. Honestly, I like all these colorways. That pink in the front is so clean. Then you got that jade green right behind it. There's white, black, and brown too. Each of these colors go hard. Honestly, the only thing that can make this better is if it was embroidered. Bro, these shits might be embroidered. Like, this is hard. I might end up going for this long sleeve. I feel like the tops have been killing it this season. We got this mirrored camp cap. This one basically has like a metal plate on the front of it, and it's a camp cap, bro. It has like 5 different colorways. That salmon pink probably is my favorite. That one and the olive. I don't know what resell does with Supreme no more, but I do know that some of the better items, especially these fitteds, because I know that lately fitteds have been going up in value in general. Even regular fitteds have been reselling, so these Supreme fitteds might be worth something if you're looking for resale value. We honestly only have a couple more items from the lookbook simply because TNF is a big ass drop already, so they probably didn't add so many items. We got this waffle knit cardigan, which honestly in this black color kind of goes hard. This is a different side of fashion that I'm trying to step into. This cardigan is honestly fire. I love the texture on it. That all black colorway, fire. I don't know how I feel about that multicolor vibe going on because that one is a little too loud for me, but the black one definitely solid. Depending on the price that this is, maybe like 128, 138, this is maybe a piece I would pick up and just keep in the wardrobe because you could honestly wear this and dress it up or down, which is a solid item that you could have in your collection. Let's go ahead and talk about these Chino Pants, which come in 4 different colorways. Honestly, the only one that stands out is this. It's like full of butterflies. Yo, I don't know if I'm tripping, but is it butterflies butterflies all across this shit, or am I smoking it? Like, I don't even know what's going on right now. It's definitely butterflies all across these pants. Now, I don't know how I feel about them. Like, they look cool, but I need to see them on somebody's legs. Like, you feel me? I don't know if I'm just about to hand out 150 for these shits without seeing them. We got the same monogram design. We've been seeing this shit for like 2 weeks already. This is the 3rd week, and it's the 6th panel this time. Same shit as the bucket hat, same shit as the jacket, same shit as the pants, just in a hat. Bro, they had hella this fabric. I'ma just say that off the rip. This is whatever, bro. It's the same shit as the other shit. I'm honestly not even gonna really talk about it no more, but we do got the new era two-tone logo beanie. This one comes in like 2 different colorways, little two-tone vibe. Honestly, the only one that I personally like is the gray with the pink and the black. The one in the back, slight bars, that one is fire. If you could see that pink and black low-key looks clean on the gray. The other ones just pop out a little bit too much. You can't even see it low-key because it's flipped, so that one is actually hard. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the hats. The last piece we have is this knit stripe long sleeve polo. Comes in 3 different colorways. You could find this in the sales section after Supreme season is done. Like, I'm trying to tell y'all, I don't even think you could pay retail for this shit. Like, please, bro. I might just be dissing this shit for no reason. It's not that bad. You feel me? I got the little quilted vibe if that's some shit you into. If it's for you, it's for you, but it's definitely not for me. Let me go ahead and get the up out of there. But as far as TNF goes as a whole, I feel like I'm gonna wait for part 2. If I pick anything up from it, it is gonna be a tee or a hoodie, just because I feel like that design is a little bit more simple and a little bit more for me, you feel me? TNF and Supreme hasn't been really cutting it lately. I feel like they released some shit that's decent, but it's not really the best of the best, you know what I'm saying? I really do hope that part 2 they do step it up a little bit, because this all over print is just a little bit too loud, bro. Like, please relax. Like, just tone it down a little bit, bro. Like, just a little bit, bro. Like, it could have even done Supreme spelled out on the sleeves and then just leave the middle blank. That would have been hard. Damn, bro. Like, chill a little bit, just a little bit, bro. But yeah, that pretty much does it for this video. Honestly, let me know what y'all think about TNF. Out of all the pieces from TNF, the better ones with the design are the book bag, because I do feel like it does correlate on the book bag a lot better than on actual wearable items. You get what I'm saying? Little fleece vibe. The multicolor one, I guess, is decent. More I look at it, to be honest, it just looks like Supreme blasted everywhere. I don't know, bro. The steep tech would be kind of cool, to be honest, without the little hood vibe. I do think that's kind of fire. Price is probably gonna be steep because it's steep tech, you feel me? So I'm good on that too. Like, we good. At the end of the day, let me know what you're going for this week. I feel like I'm gonna just go for a little fitted vibe. Might pick up the little saw if it's not too expensive, and then add a little TNF tee just to say I got some shit from TNF. And that will honestly be everything that I end up picking up for this week. If you did end up enjoying this video, man, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And do not forget to subscribe, bro. Check out Nori Archives. I've been going hard on that shit, so please go ahead and check out Nori Archives. It's probably like right here right now. So yeah, but with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.